Hi, welcome to Luray Landing, the Shenandoah Valley's newest community featuring one-level living. It is close to restaurants, shopping, healthcare, and recreation. I can't wait to show you the community and the design. Follow me. At Luray Landing, you'll enjoy a simplified lifestyle with low-maintenance home, giving you more time to do the activities you love. This pet-friendly community is perfect for taking your four-legged best friend for a walk on the trails. Beyond loving your community, you will love your home too. Here at Luray Landing Villas, you'll find first floor living with space in all the right places and backyards that are fully fenced for privacy and pets. From the outside in, your home will include beautiful finishes. Here you'll discover that stainless steel appliances, LVP flooring, and granite countertops are included with options to personalize your selections. You can even add a chef's kitchen. At Miranda Homes, we know it's important to make it what you've envisioned. The open flow from the kitchen, breakfast nook, and family room makes it easy to entertain and still host your favorite gatherings. Floor plans consist of 2 to 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and just under 1,500 finished square feet. Home designs even have a flex space, home office, or extra bedroom so that you can personalize based on how you need to use the space. With all your living space on one level, you can easily retreat to your bedroom at the end of the day and say goodbye to stairs. Living at Luray Landing gives you easy access to everyday conveniences and favorite local activities. Errands are a breeze with Food Line, Walmart, and much more just minutes from your doorstep. For a night out, enjoy dinner at Hawks Bistro or Hawks Brewing Company. The Page Memorial Hospital is also just under 2 miles from your new home. Spend time outdoors at the Shenandoah National Park or the Shenandoah River Outfitters, where you can kayak, tube, raft, and camp. The Luray Caverns at the National Park are amazing to see too, or relax on the river while fly fishing. There is so much to do so close to home, making Luray Landing a great location. Life here sounds pretty amazing, right? Are you envisioning living here? Be sure to take the next steps and schedule your visit today. I'm so excited to welcome you home.